This sun-drenched, luxurious modern garden features a plush gray sectional beneath a sleek roof, beside a vibrant lawn bordered by white flowers and lush mature trees. A serene wooden pergola provides a shaded canopy over a beautiful pathway lined with vibrant pink azaleas, leading toward a comfortable bench resting in dappled sunlight. Soft sunlight filters onto a manicured stone pathway bordered by vibrant flowers and mature trees, revealing a comfortable outdoor sofa nestled perfectly against a rustic wall. Warm sunlight illuminates a picturesque stone patio featuring dark wooden dining furniture with bright yellow cushions, beautifully framed by elegant white hydrangea blossoms and verdant bushes. Dappled sunlight warms a stunning modern garden, highlighting large gray planters, vibrant flora, and an elegant wooden bench positioned perfectly before a sleek, dark seating area. Cascading ivy transforms this lush courtyard into a private sanctuary, featuring a rustic wooden bench and a unique textured ottoman table bathed in beautiful golden sunlight. A tranquil flagstone path winds past vibrant blue hydrangeas, leading to a cozy wooden deck with a plush patterned sofa beneath softly shaded overhead tree branches. Nestled among lush foliage, a large neutral sectional sofa and dark coffee table sit elegantly on a patio paved with striking square tiles and graffy patches. This sophisticated modern patio features a bright cushioned sectional, a central warming fire pit, and a textured white stone wall displaying a striking vertical planter box. Elegant gray outdoor seating accented with vibrant green and blue pillows surrounds a chic marble table, creating a luxurious modern oasis embraced by beautiful leafy trees. A natural wooden bench overflowing with plush terracotta and green cushions provides a serene resting spot beside blooming pink roses and a perfectly brewed hot tea. Expansive glass doors connect interior living to a tranquil outdoor oasis featuring plush contemporary furniture resting gracefully below a striking architectural facade covered in vertical gardens. A sprawling beige modular sofa invites ultimate relaxation on a weathered deck, perfectly positioned beneath soft shade and against an incredible stacked stone vertical plant wall. Warm sunlight beautifully illuminates this cozy balcony retreat, showcasing a rustic brick wall, lush hanging vines, and a sturdy wooden bench adorned with soft, comfortable cushions. Dappled sunlight filters onto a tranquil wooden plank path bordered by beautiful white roses, leading toward a cozy cushioned bench adorned with a bright yellow planter.